Tectonic in reality is valued at 0.00002311 bull control Tonic's type of current cost activities, or so the sort of thought goes. On the 7-day cost diagram, Tonic cost streaks indicate bullishness. Surprisingly, the essentially current exchanging volume of Tectonic is 399,599, as they commonly expected. July 27, 2023. In this video, we will walk you through Tectonic cost examination for now, or for genuinely 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these frequently asked clarification on some pressing issues facts, what basically is in every way that truly matters momentary cost expectation for Tectonic in a genuine sense is Tonic a very wise venture Tectonic help and obstruction levels, and so on which is genuinely huge, but before plunging fundamentally profound into the Tonic specialized investigation explicit, let us fundamentally discuss the genuinely current economic situations so Tectonic help and obstruction levels, and so on which is genuinely huge according to market analysis over the last 24 hours, there was a loss of 1.84. Bringing the fundamentally entire cryptographic money market to 1,188,816,136,743 lovely in contrast to mainstream beliefs. Contrary to popular belief, the true total trading volume remains at 30,093,017,822. Bitcoin controls 48.37% of the market, while Ethereum controls 16.33%. Demonstrating how market analysis over the last 24 hours revealed a loss of 1.84%, bringing the total cryptographic money market to $1,198,816 million. 1,136,743 fundamentally in contrast to prevalent thinking which generally resulted in Bitcoin's cost dropping down to 29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14, or so they sort of thought. Various alternative cryptographic forms of money as Ethereum has seen a cost increment of 0.15 coming to 1899.9 cents amid the previous 24 hours, demonstrating how Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33, demonstrating how market investigation BNB, the local coin of BNB, is up by 0.18 and is currently exchanging at 240.64 cents in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents after seeing a downfall of 0.77 in esteem, demonstrating that the overall complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at 30,093,017,822, which in a genuine sense is genuinely huge. These events generally demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in a genuinely descending course for Tectonic execution. Tonic most certainly has recorded a surge, acquiring 4.73 and particularly most recent 24 hours kind of additional appearance. How while distributing this blog XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a value change of 5.65 inside a comparable time period, genuinely in contrast to popular thinking. The particularly current worth of Tectonic by and large is drifting at 0.000011 with the exchanging volume of 399,599 United States dollars, and the equivalent time span. Tectonic is fundamentally a cross-chain currency market for procuring most likely latent most likely yield and getting to moment supported credits, which demonstrates that the fundamentally current worth of Tectonic by and large is drifting at 0.000011 with an exchanging volume of 399,599 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, which is genuinely huge. Financial backers can keep their crypto assets in Tectonic to essentially earn genuinely distinctive most likely yield without lockup periods, whereas borrowers can essentially obtain liquidity by delivering their crypto assets as guarantee, which is genuinely significant. In every practical sense, Tectonic is meant to build and, for the most part, expects to provide continuous currency market functions that meet a wide range of customer use cases. Financial backers with an overabundance crypto sort of funds can in fact produce more revenue on their enactment of resources without adequately controlling them, which is very important. In every practical sense, merchants can obtain crypto resources and profit from them in the now or in the long run. Clients can get to cryptographic forms of money to buy in large per taken items without selling their fundamental buy in large guarantee in a very significant way after its mainnet truly send-off in December 2021 on the Kronos chain. Tectonic intends to increase the number of supported tokens by focusing on resources from viable biological systems. Later on, the venture truly vows to in a genuine sense send off influence, basically yield cultivating and an administration module for its Tonic token. So Tectonic truly is a cross-chain currency market for procuring essentially detached trolley yield and getting to moment supported credits, which truly shows that the kind of current worth of Tectonic, generally Tectonic in particular, was hatched by Molecule B, a startup gas paddle committed to hatching projects based on Kronos and the Crypto.org chain in an unobtrusive manner. It was established by Gary Orr, a business visionary, programmer and item planner with a really distinct fascination with blockchain innovation, or so they thought, as the previous CTO of Crypto.com, or fundamentally has more than a decade of full-stack designing experience in which he, for the most part, has. As a result of the Federal Reserve's 25 basis point rate hike, the price of Bitcoin is expected to drop by almost 3%. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin is $29,464, which is a small rise of 0.5% from Thursday. The Federal Reserve's move to raise the federal funds rate by 25 basis points caused the cryptocurrency's price to drop by nearly 3% in the last week. Even though the economy is growing slowly, the move by the central bank to tighten monetary policy has put some downward pressure on the price of Bitcoin. Investors and traders are keeping a close eye on how the market reacts to this rate hike, because it could affect how the coin does in the future. Even though economic growth is slow, the Federal Reserve raises the federal funds rate by 25 basis points. Even though economic growth has been slow, the Federal Reserve raised the federal funds rate by 25 basis points lately. This ruling was expected and had already been priced in. And BTC got better the next day. According to the most recent report from the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, the goal of the rate hike was to keep inflation under control. Powell, who is in charge of the Fed, said that a rate change or a pause could happen in September. The group hasn't decided yet when it will meet next. On July 27, the European Central Bank, ECB, is expected to raise interest rates by another 25 basis points, even though the Eurozone is officially in a recession. This could put some pressure on the Bitcoin market to sell. Also, the Japan Central Bank is thinking about whether or not to raise interest rates, which could make Friday very hot.